pauli na mi karon. We're going now down to city proper from here at Milagro. So hinay lang. Punta na tayo doon kasi yung isang baby boy dito is asking na mag-Jollibee na kami. So wish granted for this baby boy Lucas Mateo. Basa na yung helmet namin guys. Basa na yung helmet namin. So, okay. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Kasi pauwi naman kami. Yung isa. Oh. Honey.